Good afternoon. This is my video presentation, Midterm Activity 1. Summary. Nicole Frost and Steve Merchant siblings regularly visited their hospitalized grandfather at Laurel Memorial Hospital. After meal in the hospital's cafeteria, which was run by Food Service Management Company, both Nicole and Steve became ill from food-borne illness. They sued the hospital and the management company. The hospital claimed no liability, arguing they were visitors, not patients. The management company claimed liability only for Steve. As he purchased food from their service, the case revolves around who should be held responsible for the siblings' illness. For the question number 1, this is my answer. The information provided doesn't explicitly state whether Nicole purchased food from the food service facility. However, the Food Service Management Company argued that its liability extended only to Steve because he was the only guest who actually purchased food from their service. This suggests that Nicole might not have purchased food from the facility. For the question number 2, this is my answer. Steve's responsibility for the food-borne illness would depend on the specific circumstances and legal considerations of the case. The fact that he purchased sandwiches might be a factor in determining his level of responsibility. However, liability in such cases can be complex and depends on various factors, including the duty of the care of the food service management company and extensive contribution to the illness. Legal proceeding and a true investigation will be needed to determine any potential responsibility. Steve's purchase of the sandwiches may indeed play a role in assessing responsibility for the food-borne illness. In a legal context, it could be argued that he assumed a degree of responsibility by making that purchase and might be impact the liability considerations. However, the final determination of responsibility will depend on various legal factors, including the specific laws and regulations in place and the court's interpretation of the case. This is my answer in question number 3. The type of liability that might apply in this case could be negligence. Negligence involves the failure to exercise reasonable care in a situation resulting in harm to others. In this case, it can be proven that the food service management company or hospital cafeteria was negligent in their food preparation or safety procedures, which directly led to the foodborne illness suffered by Steve and potentially Nicole. The negligence could be a relevant legal concept to consider. The concept of proximate cause is often a part of negligence claims. It refers to the connection between the negligent act and the resulting harm. If negligence can be established as the proximate cause of the illness, it could be a basis for holding the responsible party liable. Ultimately, the determination of whether negligence or proximate cause applies in this case would depend on the specific facts, evidence, and a legal interpretation within the jurisdiction where the case is being litigated. And legal advices from an attorney will be crucial in assessing and pursuing such claims. That's all. Thank you.